players just need to move on after that loss. So parang hindi naman like hindi naman sa sinasabi ko, hindi namin sinaseryoso yung 49 point loss namin against San Miguel. Pero for me, we need to move forward lang. So kailangan namin kalimutin yung San Miguel, we face Phoenix na ngayon. So kailangan namin yung game plan namin para sa Phoenix na ngayon. So yun yung siguro yung maganda sa team namin. So yung samahan, yung like veteran ko, yung Kuya Ele, Kuya Scotty, Kuya Jacket, yung lagi sinasabi nila after ng game namin na kalimutan tong game na to, back to basics, sabi natin coach team, back to basics tayo sa practice and then go back to Phoenix. So pakita natin to kung yung pwede natin pakita.
Coach, a few weeks ago when Scotty was a player of the game, he mentioned something about being a role model to the other guards, and obviously with a 24, 5, and 5 stat line for RJ, he's shown to be that role model for RJ and the other players of the NFL. What can you say about that role coming into fruition for Scotty?
Well, we're making a kind of a big deal about RJ's first player of the game. It's not going to be his last. He's going to have a lot of these. Right now, I'm just real proud of him because he's really just grabbing hold onto the role of coming off the bench. He started the first couple of games, and then we just got Maverick into the mix, and he was playing well. And so it just kind of evolved that way. And he accepted it and has totally excelled in it. And I, like you were saying earlier, he's got veterans in front of him, LA, Scotty, Japhet, their approach to how to recover from a tough loss like that is important. But RJ's not he's not a rookie in the real sense because he's played around. He's been in Korea, he's been in Japan. I mean, he played high level basketball already. So this is nothing new for him. In fact, he is quickly becoming one of our role models already. He's modeling for the rest of the players as well. So he plays like a vet. He doesn't play like a young player.
Coach, the quarterfinals in the bag, one game that